In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can find your lost Samsung device even if it's not connected to the internet. Samsung offers a feature called offline finding through its Find My Mobile service, which allows users to locate their devices even when they're offline. This feature utilizes Bluetooth low-energy signals from nearby Galaxy devices to anonymously and securely transmit the location of the offline device to the owner. When activated, this service can provide the last known location of the device, aiding in its recovery even when it's not connected to the internet. Simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, tap right here to head into your Samsung account. On this page, you will have to scroll down onto the option of Find My Mobile. It can be any other Samsung device such as tablets, headsets, and among others. On this option of offline findings, make sure to enable it. When turned on, you will always have access to your device location whenever it's not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. So if you lost your Samsung device, simply get someone else's Samsung device. Tap right to start tracking down your lost device. What I recommend you all is to always create a Samsung account on your devices. In case of any misplacements, you can easily find it. But offline or when connected to the internet, you can't fail to allocate your device. Put in mind, there's no way you can track down your phone offline if you didn't enable the offline findings option. That's how easy it is to find your lost device even when it's offline. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.